How much money you got? 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 A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done died? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you fall? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these vibes. Every day that I'm alive, I'ma ride with this stick. I'd rather be broken chill than
Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is Ericarenee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all like a little bathroom tour. So yeah, if y'all are interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on watching. Hey girl, so let's get right into it. So the clip before this, I think I showed y'all like a little montage of how my bathroom looks. So girl, let me go ahead and tell you that I'm not the best at decorating, but I like to keep things pretty simple. So I have like very simple pieces in my bathroom, but I feel like everything just comes together. Like I love nude colors. I love just basically just like warm colors. So that's the kind of vibe that I was going for my bathroom. So let's get into a couple of pieces. Okay y'all, so I'm looking at my video so I can see like where we're gonna start off. So we're starting off on my bathroom sink. So the first thing that I have in there is this pampas grass and this glass vase. So I actually got the glass vase from Target. I believe it was like $8 or something. It was no more than 10. I'm gonna go with $8. I feel like that's how much it was. So yeah, I got that vase from Target. And then the actual pampas grass, I actually got it from Amazon. Amazon has so many different types of pampas grass, y'all. Like they have so many types. So if you're like wondering what type of pampas grass to get, just go on Amazon, type in pampas grass, and girl, you're gonna see so many different options. So that is not initially what I was going for, that type of pampas grass that I have in there now. I kind of wanted the one that was like kind of, the ones that people usually get, like the ones that are kind of big, kind of fluffier. That's my initial that was what I was initially going to get, but I ended up seeing that one. I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, it ended up turning out perfect. So yeah, that's like my favorite little decor piece that I have in there. Okay y'all, so I got the pampas grass from Amazon and it was $11.99. They have like two different quantities that you can choose from. I got the one that had 60 in them, and then they have one that has 100. So yeah, definitely pick that up if y'all are interested in the pampas grass that I got, because I feel like it's really, really good. I really do like it. The only thing that I would say is that it does shed. Like the little pieces off of the pampas, like the top pieces, just be falling off sometimes. But it's not like too bad to where it's like, okay, it's doing the most. Because I know like the other pampas grass, I've been hearing that it really does shed a lot. So you have to spray it with like hairspray. This one, you don't have to do all that. You can just put it in there and just let it be, girl, and just call it a day. So yeah, that's like one of my favorite pieces on there, and the link is going to be down below for that pampas grass. So what else is on my sink is actually this little tray, the black matte tray. I actually got that from Home Goods. I believe I got it from the bathroom section. Yeah, it was like one of those things where I just like came across it and I just thought it was cute, so I went ahead and got it. So yeah, I really do love that. I think it was like maybe like $10. Yeah, I can't really remember the prices because girl, it's been a little minute like since I got this stuff, so I don't really remember the prices, but I don't believe it was over $20. Stuff like that in Home Goods is just like something you just see on a shelf. They don't really have like multiple ones. So yeah, I believe that was like the last one. So I got lucky enough to get that. So that's like one of my favorite pieces as well. I just love that my bathroom is just so like warm. Like I have like some blacks in there, I have nudes, I have a little bit of like white, hints of white. So speaking of white, I have this cute little mini vase sitting on the little black tray, which I think is so cute. I actually got that from Target. Now Target is that girl, okay? Target be having some really cute stuff when it comes to like decor pieces. Their stuff is really, really cute. I believe that is going to be from the Threshold collection, and I believe it was like $10. I want to say it was like $10. It's kind of giving me very much like a little off-white vibe. It's not really pure white. It's kind of like a little off-white, which I feel like goes perfectly with my colors in my bathroom, because everything in there is basically like nude. So nude, creams, blacks, that's what your girl is going for. So that is perfect in there. And then what's sitting beside the little vase is actually going to be another little decor piece that I got from Target. I believe I talked about that piece in my last video when I was telling you all some of my favorite decor pieces that I have in my house. That is one of my favorites. Let me tell you why. Because I love like the vibe that it gives, like the little pampas grass coming out of it. To me, it kind of looks like pampas grass. Now, I don't know if it's really pampas grass, but that's the vibe that I'm getting from it. So yeah, I just think it looks really cute. I love the nude, and then it's kind of like that matte feel. So that's one thing that I love as well, y'all. And it just goes together perfectly, like the nudes, the creams. I just love it, y'all. It's just, baby, it's top tier. Okay, so let's talk about my little hand towel that I have on the side. Girl, this hand towel is faded, okay? It's just a hot mess. Like, I don't know if y'all can really tell in the video, but I hope y'all can't tell, but it's a hot mess. I got this towel from Target, but what can I expect? Because I think it was like, the towel was probably like $5, y'all. So I've washed it so many times because I don't be playing with no germs. Okay, I'll be washing that towel, and it basically just like, the color is gone. It is not, it's just faded. So I need to get another towel, maybe like a more expensive one that is maybe going to last a little bit longer than that one. But yeah, girl, it's time to retire that towel, but I don't know what other colors I should do. Give me some suggestions down below, y'all, which I would add to my bathroom, because I do want to add more stuff in there, but I just don't know what to really add. So yeah, with that hand towel, gotta get. I also have like a little towel hanging on the rack behind my toilet. That towel right there is perfectly fine because nobody uses that. It's just there for decoration. So that one hasn't faded like the one on my little hand towel rack. Yeah, that one hasn't faded because I don't wash it because nobody uses it. But that one is fine. So I believe that towel was the same price. It was around like $5 to maybe $8, and I got it from Target. Okay, so let's get into where my toilet is. We don't want to talk about the toilet, but we want to talk about what's on top of the toilet. So I have this very, very cute little tray that I actually got from, I believe it was Home Goods as well, y'all. And y'all, I actually got that from like the kitchen section. So that's actually like a little kitchen piece. I believe I talked about that too in my last decor video. I got it from the kitchen section, okay? So if y'all are really on a hunt for like cute little things, don't just stick to one section of Home Goods. Go to multiple sections because stuff just be everywhere, y'all. Y'all know how Home Goods is. It be everywhere. So I got that from the kitchen section. I think that color is just so cute. I was looking for the longest something to go like behind my toilet. And I just really didn't know like what color I wanted to go with, what I wanted to do. I didn't want to do more black, so I chose to go with this cream color. It is so cute, y'all. And I believe it's like a ceramic type feel. It's so heavy, y'all. The tray is really heavy. So I have that sitting right there, and then I also put on top of it just like some little decor towels that I got from, I believe I got those from Big Lots, like little decor towels. I kind of tried to roll them up to make them look a little cute. I don't know, but it is what it is, but I think it looks cute for now. And then beside the little hand cloths, I have my favorite candle, y'all. This is my favorite candle. It's from Bath & Body Works, and I just love how like it's nude as well, so it kind of blends in with the bathroom decor that I have. So yeah, I have my little candle there, which is in the scent Mahogany Coconut. Girl, it smells so good. I feel like that's such a good scent to have in your bathroom because it's not too strong. It's like a little light, subtle scent because of the coconut, and then you have the mahogany, which smells kind of masculine. It just goes in together, y'all. It smells so good. So I have that in there, and then I have my little room spray. I actually got that room spray in there from Target. I need to get some more because, yeah, it's basically not anything in there, but I need to get some more because that smells very good as well, y'all. Get y'all some room spray for your bathroom. Okay, and then on top of the wall, I have this cute little painting that I got from Target. I think the painting was like $12 or $15, y'all. So y'all see, it's just a little basic, you know, black and white through a little glass. I think it's cute though, but I kind of do want to switch it up and add maybe some different type of vibe in there. I don't know if I want to do like a little texture art to go in there. I don't know, but I kind of want to do a different vibe when it comes to my pictures. So yeah, for now I just have that painting that I got from Target, and I think that painting is really cute, y'all. So it's for now, it's just gonna sit in there, and then we're gonna move on into the shower area. So I have the shower rods I got from Home Goods, the shower curtain I got from Home Goods. I just love that I found a nude shower curtain, okay, because I was on a hunt, and and I could not find any cute shower curtains, but HomeGoods, I finally found one, and I just think it's so cute. It goes perfectly with the colors in my bathroom. And then I have on the floor these memory foam, not rugs, what do you want to call it? Memory foam bath rugs that I got from HomeGoods. Y'all, basically everything in that bathroom is from HomeGoods, y'all, okay? Everything in there is from HomeGoods. So I have those bath rugs. I feel like it's kind of like a nude color, kind of on the tan type vibe side. So yeah, I was kind of concerned that it wasn't going to look right. It kind of, I don't know, what do y'all think? I mean, I feel like it looks right, but sometimes I'll be second guessing myself, like, I don't know if that really matches. But it's in there, and it is what it is. I think it's cute, because I have been on a hunt for some really cute memory rugs, but I couldn't find any like that will match my aesthetic in my bathroom. But I finally found some. So yeah, I believe those were like maybe $20 from HomeGoods. But yeah, it came in two, okay? It came in two. So okay, so the last thing that I have in my bathroom, this cute little basket that I got from Target. I think this is from the Magnolia collection. This little basket is so cute, y'all. At first I was going to put like some towels in there, but I was like, I kind of don't want to do that, so I ended up just using it to put tissue in. But the little basket is so cute. I believe it was like $20 from the Magnolia collection. I think it's really cute. So yeah, I just placed that right on the floor because my bathroom isn't really that big to really be, you know, adding too much stuff in there. But I feel like it's cute. Y'all let me know down below what you think. What would you change? What would you add? That is basically the end of this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm going to have some links down below of the stuff that I can find. Hopefully it's still in stock. So yeah, everything is going to be linked down below. I hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.